Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today let's talk a little bit about social media and social media plugin. First of all, let's move to the Statista. According to the Statista, Facebook has 2,797 million users. At the same time, WhatsApp, it also have 2,291 users. And if you notice the other social media like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, every social media has a vast amount of user. In that case, I can say if you are missing social media or if you avoid social media, you are losing a lot of client and potential visitor from your website. Alright, so today we are going to introduce a social media plugin, and the plugin name is Social Media Share Buttons, Pop-up and Pop-up Social Sharing Icon for your WordPress website. Now in this video we are going to investigate the root of this plugin, then we will share some inside information from the WordPress org. After that we will check the pricing and other related resources from the WordPress org and their website, and finally we'll share some insight from WP Hype, and lastly I'll share my personal opinion to the plugin. Now let's get started reviewing this plugin, Social Media Share Button Pop-up and Pop-up Social Share Icon. This plugin is made by UltimatelySocial. We are moving to the website later, but before that, let's see what are the information available in WordPress org. This plugin has 200,000 active installation, and the plugin, if we look on the rating, it has 4,700 plus 5-star rating in WordPress org. So you can understand this is a huge popular plugin in WordPress org. Now still this plugin has some 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, even 1-star. I think it's natural because the plugin, it has 200,000 active installation. Besides that, the plugin description is quite impressive. They describe all the features available in the plugin along with the screenshot. Now let's move to their website. So this is their website. They have the support option. To be honest, from my personal opinion, this landing page is not that much impressive. They only share a little bit information about their plugin. After that, they give the pricing plan. They also utilize their social media share icon so that you understand how their plugin is working on their website. But unfortunately, this landing page does not have any top menu, contact details, or anything else that normally we expect in a website. Alright, let's see how the pricing. So I'm clicking on see pricing option and the pricing is loading. So I am hoping that there will be a beautiful pricing plan for the plugin, but unfortunately here they also describe only the pricing for the plugin, and you can check non-commercial or commercial, and then you have to pay. There is no monthly plan, there is no yearly plan, lifetime plan, no landing page even. They directly drive you to the payment option. So this is also not impressive to me, but I think it's okay that they did not want to disturb you, or they did not want to give you a lot of steps to complete the payment. Right. This plugin also have a YouTube channel, but unfortunately this YouTube channel is not activated. This channel contains only one YouTube intro video for the plugin. So let's move to the WP Hype to check the inside of this plugin. So if you notice, this is the plugin. They have some cross or red option for the plugin inside. Now if you want to check them, you can check it from the WP Hype website, and the plugin has total 9 million download. It's a big amount of download. And this plugin also have 200,000 active installation that I already described, and the growth rate for the plugin is 0.4%. That's not that much impressive, but it's okay. Overall quality, ease of use, quality of support, value of money, features, everything is fine. But still the plugin, if I want to recall, 9k download was in last week, so it's a good amount of download I guess. But the age of this plugin is 7 years, So 7 years old plugin getting 9K download in a week. That's not impressive, I guess. So that's all about for today's video. Thank you. We'll back to with another video.